Hello GIS students, this is the second video in developing some Excel skills. If you haven't done this task yet where you were plotting the graph showing the growth of a plant over 12 days, please stop this video, go back to the first one and make sure that you've completed that. Okay, this second video is looking at how we can plot a bar chart. Okay, we're also going to look at how we can use one Excel document and have a few different pages on it. So go to the bottom of your chart please, and where it says sheet 1 you can right click on that and I want you to rename it plant. Okay, so that first sheet is going to show your graph of your plant. Okay, now you're going to go to the new sheet. Let's right click and we're going to rename this one color. Okay, so in the same way we're going to plot some data and then we are going to see how to plot a bar chart instead of a line graph. Okay, for a bar chart this would be if you have not continuous data, so the data isn't all numerical, there are some categories. Okay, these particular categories are going to be about students' favorite color. Okay, so here I'm going to have my first heading, which is going to be color. All right, are there any units for color, do we think? Not that I can think of. All right, and we're going to say the colors that might be used are red, blue, green, and purple. Okay, I'm going to put black as well, even though black is actually an absence of color. Okay, then in the second column, it's going to be the number of students. Okay, so the number of students who selected that as their favorite color. Again, look what's happening over here. So by now, you should know that if we click on this and we go to wrap text, it's going to put the text all into one box. Okay, actually I'm going to change this heading. Instead of color, I'm going to go into the function bar, I'm going to say favorite color. Okay, so favorite color, and I'm going to wrap that text. Okay, and then the number of students that chose that color. Okay, so I sent the survey out earlier. It's about as realistic as the plant is, but just go with me. And 3 students said that their favorite color was red. 7 students said that their favorite color was blue. All right, 4 said green, 7 said purple, and 9 said black. Okay, I'm going to do some things just to make this look a little bit better over here. I'm going to center justify everything, and I'm also going to click on that little border sign, the one that looks like a window. All right, so my results table looks nice. Okay, remember normally we are looking to have units here. Okay, but for these 2 categories, there aren't any units that we can use. All right, so I want to insert a chart, so I'm going to select all of my data and I'm going to insert. And this time I'm going to go for a column chart. So these are charts that we would call bar charts if you were plotting them in class. Okay, but the bar charts that Excel does kind of go sideways and we don't want them to go sideways, so I want a column chart here. All right, and I want that 2D column. All right, there we go. So we can see the different sizes of the bars for the different colors. Okay, so given this chart you will be able to answer questions. The 3 things that we're going to amend on this, we are going to change the title, we are going to change the headings on the X and the Y axis. Okay, so chart title, I'm going to say, I'm going to edit it, graph showing the favorite colors of GIS students. Okay, all right, now I'm going to add my horizontal axis title. Okay, and then I'm going to say favorite color. And I'm going to go to my y-axis title and I'm going to say number of students. Remember, normally we would be looking for units, but this particular type of data doesn't require any units at all. Okay, if you want to go a bit further, you might want to see if you can edit the color of these, okay, and get it to look a little bit more visual, but that is up to you. Okay, so again, you've got your one document, it's got one tab with your plant, with your line graph, and now it has your color, the favorite color of GIS students. Okay, thank you.